ViewTech Vlog Pocket Review coming up. What's up everyone, Herbert Flores here from IamHerbertFlores.com, helping you how to start and how to have a profitable home-based business. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to notify on my next video. And also, don't forget to check all the links below on the description. So in this video, I will share to you my new gimbal from ViewTech, the Vlog Pocket. So I want to start a vlogging, okay? So I want to document my travel, or I want to shoot a video outside my room, okay? Not only reviewing digital products or courses, but to share to you some beautiful places. Okay, so dito na rin mag-start yung aking journey sa pag-vlogging. Kaya binili ko itong ViewTech Vlog Pocket na to. At sa video na to, I will share to you my honest review about this Vlog Pocket. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so what is Vlog Pocket? So this is everyone can be a vlogger. Okay, so according to their website. So Vlog Pocket is designed for shooting vlog. It is the lightest foldable smartphone gimbal in the market. So we have a variety of colors. So we have a dreamy pink and we have a midnight black. Alright, so right now bubuksan na natin itong box. So pupuntiin ko na lang siya, guys. So in-order ko siya noong February 29, then dumating siya today, March 5. Okay, so buksan na natin. So naka-bubble wrap po siya. Okay, so ito po yung ViewTech Vlog Pocket na may kasamang selfie stick. Okay, so ito yung in-order ko. So nasa more than 3,000 plus lang po siya. Okay, so in-order ko siya sa Lazada. So yung ating seller ay si Tech Hunter. So yan, ito po yung receipt niya. At ang nag-deliver po ay si Lex PH. So binayaran ko siya to 7-Eleven. So this is a non-COD. So pwede rin sila mag-deliver ng COD sa mga ibang area. So dahil yung area ko is wala siya sa, hindi siya applicable yung COD, kaya binayaran ko siya through online. Okay, so by 7-Eleven. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Charan! Okay, so sa loob po ng box, meron siyang manual. Okay, kaso Chinese, kanyang character. Okay, and then, meron din siyang warranty card. So yun, dahil made in China siya, hindi rin natin maintindihan yung nakasulat dito sa warranty card. Then, meron tayong, ayan, for more information, so pwede nyo pong i-visit yung kanilang mga social media account or yung kanilang website. And ito po yung laman ng box. So meron siyang pouch. Ito po yung lalagyan ng ating Vlog Pocket. So maganda siya. Smooth. And ito na po yung ating pinakahihintay na gimbal. Okay. At yung ating tripod. Yan. At yung ating charger cord. So yan po yung laman ng box. So yung next step na gagawin natin is i-assemble po natin siya. Okay? Yan. So ito na yung mismong itsura nung Vlog Pocket gimbal. Okay? So maliit lang siya. So meron siyang tripod. Okay? Ito yung kanyang switch. And then, ito yung Ito yung button kapag ka mag-shoot ka na ng video and image. Okay, so meron siyang locker. Okay, so dito naman ilalagay yung ating smartphone. Okay, so ito yung holder niya. So ngayon testingin natin siya. Okay. Hello guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Quezon City Circle para i-try itong ating PUTech vlog packet. Okay. Ibang settings. So ngayon yung settings natin, yung settings niya is naka yung naka auto detection ng pitch. So kaya kahit saan ako magpunta, okay, so sinusundan niya ako. Video shot. So yun, so hindi ko actually siya na-tilt pala. So ngayon okay na. Yeah, so ito yung normal walking guys. So recording siya ngayon. So maganda siya guys. So I recommend this vlog packet. Kung gusto nyo mag-start mag-vlogging at gusto nyo magkaroon ng magandang mga cinematic effects sa inyong vlog. Naka-cellphone mode siya ngayon. At uwi na ako guys. Okay, so thank you very much. So I hope magustuhan mo itong vlog packet and don't forget to subscribe and comment below. See you on the next video.